I've been seeing a lot of posts online recently about how long it takes to remove dip powder nails. If it's taking you more than 10 minutes to soak off your nails, you're doing something wrong. Here's how you do it. You're going to need 5 things: a bowl, some acetone, paper towel, and a Ziploc bag, big enough to stick both your hands in, and some really hot water. So the first thing you're going to do is get your paper towel and pop it in the bag. The next thing you're going to do is put your acetone in the bag. There you go. Biggest tip, be generous with your acetone. You can reuse it. Then you're just going to put your hot water in your bowl. You want this to be as hot as humanly possible without burning your fingers off. Then you're going to take your bag and you're going to put it in your bowl of water, and then you're going to put your hands in the bag. Show you, like that. And then just wait for 5-10 minutes. And there you have it, nails off. Just going to rub a bit of coconut oil in and we're good to go.